I think we have some happy bunnies here. Oh, Doc was just doing binkies. Hi, Doc. Hi. No? Okay. Alright, so that's Kinsey right there. That's Mo Cheeks. That's Linny. And that's the mommy. That's Daphne. Hi, Daphne. And this is the tunnel I gave them that they absolutely adore. Yay! Hi, bunnies. You guys huddling together? They're so silly. And they're always on the move. What's she doing? Gotta check her out. I think he was just licking her. Maybe her back was dirty. Oh, happy bunny.